Over 4,000 SQM of space, 300 staff. Professional team providing quality services. 724-hour after-sales service. More than 15 years of experience in the industry. Laser cutting machine factory. One-stop solution specialist. %80 of all engineers have more than 5 years of fiber experience. Easily cut carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum and other metal materials. A wide range of marking machines. Complete range of models and a warehouse for bulk purchase. Desktop laser marking machines. Laser welding and cleaning machines. Housing warehouse. Machine assembly. Laser cleaning machines. Equipped with a professional laser and water chiller. Startup sequence. Different cleaning modes are available. Power can be set according to requirements. Powerful rust removal to save time. No consumables. Safe and environmentally friendly. Double wire feed laser welding machine. Multilingual support. Power can be set according to requirements. Multiple safety locks to ensure safe operation. Up to 4 times more efficient compared to conventional welding. For weld seam for aesthetically pleasing welds. Laser marking machines. High precision marking for different materials.